We do have pretty busy schedules, and right now I'm in a block where I've had 1 day off in 3 months. I don't get another day off now for over a month. To make our places on the road feel more like home, I take my creature comforts with me, and by that I mean I take my creatures with me. Gracie and Stewie always come on the road with me. Other than that, I take a couple board games and some playing cards, and that's about it. I don't take a lot on the road. When I have an evening off, I want to go for sushi with friends or grab a movie or an escape room. I am obsessed with escape rooms, and if you have not done an escape room, find a good one. It is so worth it. I want to get out and experience something and use my brain. I can't even describe the feeling when I get home. I just love stepping through those doors, knowing that my bed is close by. I love my bed. Knowing that everything here is where I want it, and so it's not a stressful place, it's somewhere I can unwind. That's, for me, absolutely everything. Just that pure calm.